Welcome to this guided meditation, where we will journey through time to explore your life with compassion, wisdom, and love. This is an opportunity to visit both your past and future selves, offering healing and insight along the way. Begin by finding a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep, soothing breath in. And exhale, letting go of any tension. Let your body relax, softening your shoulders, your jaw, and your muscles. With each breath, you're becoming more present in this moment. Now imagine a doorway opening in front of you. This is the door to your past. As you step through it, you are transported to a time when you were younger, maybe as a child, a teenager, or even just a few years ago. Picture yourself at that age. See the younger version of yourself in detail, the way you looked, the way you felt. Take a moment to observe your younger self. What were you experiencing in that moment? What emotions were present? What challenges were you facing? As you watch this scene, bring compassion into your heart. You are now wiser, stronger, and more experienced. Silently, offer words of comfort or encouragement to your younger self. You might say, "You are loved. You are enough. You will get through this." Or offer any other words that feel right for this moment. Allow this younger version of yourself to feel your presence and your support. Imagine wrapping them in a warm, comforting light, filling them with the love and understanding they may have needed at that time. Stay here for a few moments, feeling the connection between your past and present selves, healing any pain or uncertainty that may have been lingering. Journey to the future. Now, let this image of your younger self slowly fade, and imagine yourself stepping through another doorway, this time into the future. As you step forward, you meet the future version of yourself. Picture yourself 5, 10, or even 20 years from now. See how you look, how you carry yourself, and what kind of energy radiates from you. Notice the confidence, the wisdom, and the calm that your future self embodies. This is the version of you that has overcome challenges, grown, and achieved new levels of understanding and peace. As you observe your future self, take a moment to listen. What wisdom does this future version of you have to offer? You may hear words of guidance, reassurance, or even a reminder to trust the journey you are on. Allow these insights to flow freely. Now, imagine standing face to face with your future self. Feel the strength and wisdom they possess. Silently ask, "What is the most important thing I need to remember right now?" Listen carefully and receive any messages that come through, whether in words, images, or feelings. As you finish this part of the journey, express gratitude to your future self for the guidance. Imagine a bright, golden light connecting your hearts, your past, present, and future selves all aligned in love and wisdom. It is now time to return to the present. Slowly step away from the doorway to the future. Feeling the wisdom and lessons you have received gently integrate into your being. Begin to bring your awareness back to your body, feeling the surface beneath you. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Start to wiggle your fingers and toes, reconnecting with the present moment. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing with you the love and wisdom you have gained from both your past and future selves. You are whole, wise, and connected through all time. Thank you for taking this journey through time today. Remember that both your past and future selves are always accessible to you, offering guidance, compassion, and strength. You are never alone in this journey. Take a moment to breathe deeply and honor yourself for the courage to explore this space.